5 Best Air Conditioners. The item number 5 is Personal Air Cooler and Humidifier, Portable. Create a personal cooling zone. Cools temperature of personal space by up to 6 to 8 degrees. Strong wind but quietly operation. Choose from 3 speeds and adjust the airflow. Up to 6-8 hours humidifiering time. Low energy consumption. Just add water, plug it in, and turn it on. The item number 4 is Air Conditioner USB Compact Size Powerful. Compact size and lightweight, easy to use. Perfect gift for your children, friends, boss, workmate and so on. Low power consumption. One of best cooling fan for your office or home. The air inlet volume is large, so that the water is evaporated quickly and the cooling effect is more significant. The item number 3 is Mini Air Conditioner Multifunction Cooling Fan. Create a personal cooling zone. Strong wind but quietly operation. Choose from 3 speeds and adjust the airflow. With 7 colors LED light, can be used as soothing night light. Auto shut off when out of water. Low energy consumption. Spray design help you do a DIY SPA. Drop your favorite essential oil into water. The item number 2 is 2018 Air Conditioners Portable Air Conditioner. Brand name Sug. Model number :009. Capacity, BTU, 2. Power type AC. Air conditioning power, 1 horsepower. Circulating air, M3/H, 620. Cop: 2. And/or machine noise, 23 decibels. Ear: 3.4. The item number 1 is Ductless Evaporative Air Cooler and Humidifier. Brand name Sug. Cop: 2. And/or machine noise, 23 decibels. Technique: variable frequency. Use carb. Grade 1. Power type AC. Car refrigerator type refrigerating. Model number :009. Type portable. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.